Are you wondering how to resize an image in Google Docs? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. So first and foremost, you need to add your image. So you can do that by going Insert, Image, and then you can either upload from your computer or you can upload it from your Drive, Photos, by URL, or the camera on your computer. So I'm just going to add an image to save us a little bit of time. So here we've got an image, and you'll firstly notice that this is opened up very, very large. So what you can do, the most simple way to resize an image in Google Docs is to click on that image, and then you'll see these little kind of blue icons on the border of the image. What you can do, if you left click and drag, you can make the image slightly smaller based on that left clicking and dragging based on that concept. So you can drag it to the size that you want. Of course, you drag in for a smaller size, you drag out if you want it larger. So that's the first way of doing it. But if you want to be a little bit more specific, what you can also do is make sure that the image is selected, then click Image Options. And from here, we can be very, very specific with the size we want. So if you want a particular width in inches or a particular height in inches, you can edit it here. You can also play around with the width scale from here as well by just pressing the up or downward buttons. And you have the ability to also change the height scale as well, just by doing this. You'll notice that they actually work in tangent. So if you start manipulating one of these, it will update it here. So that's really the main way of doing it. So I hope this video is useful. If it was, please hit the like button and drop any comments, questions, feedback, or suggestions for future videos down below. There's an entire playlist on Google Docs and getting used to it and tutorials on my channel, so do check that out if that sounds of interest to you. With all that said, hope you have an excellent day.